When I had a chat with Anmol Jaggi, so I go fully prepared. So I started asking question of Gensol, which was not in part of their pitch deck, etc. जब आदमी इन्वेस्टर के पास जाता है अप्रोच अलग होती है, वहाँ सारे क्वेश्चन खोल के बताता है. बैंकर के पास जाता है, यार मैं तो तुम्हें हायर कर रहा हूँ. He treats an instant banker as service provider. इतना क्वेश्चन यार, पैसा रेज कराओ, पैसे लो, निकलो, तुम्हारा क्या है. तो I found his responses not adequate. He tried to answer, and we stayed away thrice, despite Dexter today has strongest connect in family office today. Despite that, we stayed away. There are multiple other examples. I wouldn't name those entrepreneurs. मतलब वहाँ पर भी चीजें अब unsuccessful हो चुकी हैं, but those stories are not as public as Blue Smart. Unfortunately, in the current ecosystem that exists in India, especially among entrepreneurs and venture capital investor, ecosystem is tilted towards venture capitalist. People have to follow up, etc. We are building venture capital firms, so we also need to be mindful of what I'm saying, and we need to be accountable towards that, right? But that's where, so Dexter's aim is to ensure entrepreneur remains center of our universe, and either through our investment or through our advice, entrepreneurs are able to build wealth, and in the process we generate reasonable return. And I think entrepreneurs लोग है ना, वो क्या होता है, लीग टेबल देख के कर लेते हैं. वो अपने इन्वेस्टर बोर्ड मेंबर के कहने पे अपने एडवाइस सेलेक्ट करते हैं, बट दे नीड टू बी एक्सट्रीमली सेलेक्टिव who they want to hire instant banker. मतलब I consider selecting instant banking as critical as selecting a spouse. आपके पास राइट एडवाइजर है तो आपकी कंपनी को बहुत अच्छा आगे ले जाएगा. There's no guarantee वो पैसा रेज करेगा नहीं रहेगा, बट पैसा रेज करना और राइट एडवाइस करना दोनों में दिनों रात का अंतर है. आपको पैसे चाहिए 60 करोड़ रुपए, आपको लेट्स से वैल्यूएशन कम मिला. मेरी फी इस बात पे डिपेंडेंट है कि मेरे को सक्सेस फी कितनी मिल रही है. तो मैं 60 करोड़ 80 करोड़ कराऊंगा, 80 के 100 करोड़ कराऊंगा, तो उससे क्या डाइल्यूशन ज्यादा होगा. करेक्ट. सो दैट एग्जिस्ट, राइट? सो लॉट ऑफ टाइम दैट वुड हैपन. आपकी कॉन्फ्लिक्टेड है. मतलब विद एडवाइस ऑफ इन्वेस्टर लेना चाहिए, बट दे शुड चूज पीपल हु कैन पुट एंटरप्रेन्योर अहेड ऑफ देयर ओन थिंग, व्हिच इज वेरी वेरी हार्ड टू डू. मतलब अपने से ऊपर एंटरप्रेन्योर को रखना इम्पॉसिबल काम है. I think that's what lacks in the country, at least in ecosystem, and that also needs to be fixed as well.
More towards IB.
Instant banking की बात कर रहा हूँ अभी मैं.
हाँ, तो IB में ज़्यादा है.
IB में ज़्यादा है because there are around 200 plus IB firm exist. Our closure rates are highest in the country. I don't think closure rate as a metric even publicized. Our closure rates are close to 70%, which I think would be close to double digit in a case of let's say a big four, or maybe 20 to 40% in case of some of the other good quality firms.
That's what, because आप founder को priority पे रखते हो, इसके लिए
नहीं, our diligence is, our underwriting is very very good. So that also leads to mistakes as well. So for example, when Infra.Market, Souvik reached out to us, we ended up not taking his mandate. And today it's Unicorn. And I'm talking about where Souvik did not even raise any capital. When Kapiva talked to us, Shrey talked to us, we could not decide to take mandate. McAfee. So we have around 40 plus NT portfolio company in Dexter. Because it's a type 1 type 2 mistake. जो पुलक ने अपनी बुक में बात की है ना, you would make type 1 type 2 mistake, right? So because I want to be very selective about which entrepreneur I want to work with, so we obviously have made those mistakes. So तो अभी धीरे धीरे जैसे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बड़ी हो रही है, फिक्स कर रहे हैं. अब इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग धंधा देखोगे ना, तो उसमें सक्सेसफुल entrepreneur को VC खुद ही आ जाएगा. खराब का फंड रेज होगा नहीं, तो हमारा एक्चुअल टाइम तो बहुत लिमिटेड है ना. सक्सेसफुल को हमारी जरूरत नहीं है, खराब को हम नहीं लेंगे. और स्पेशली जो लोग आएंगे उसमें से कुछ क्रुक्स भी होंगे, बिकॉज उनको पैसे की जरूरत है. क्रुक्स लोगों को सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत होती है पैसों की. तो यू टू अवॉइड देम एज वेल. एंड शक्ल पे तो लिखा नहीं कि आदमी क्रुक है, कैसे पता करोगे? तो डेक्स्टर इज वन ऑफ द फर्म विच एक्चुअली यूजेज अ फॉरेंसिक डिलिजेंस टूल at the time of onboarding a mandate. Our mandate later has SSLI condition. हमारा लास्ट जो एनेक्जर है उसमें SSA कंडीशन होती है. बहुत छोटी चीज होती है. आप जैसे कंपनी स्टार्ट करोगे ना काश, तो कंपनी में इनकॉर्पोरेट बाद में करोगे, बट आप वेबसाइट पहले खरीद लोगे.
राइट.
वेबसाइट तो आपके नाम पे, कंपनी के नाम पे तो है नहीं. वो डिलीजेंस में आएगा. तो हम कोशिश करते हैं कि सारी चीजें प्री आइडेंटिफाई कर ले. तो डेक्स्टर का मोटो है, यदि डिलीजेंस में कोई इशू आ गया, Dexter is not going to stand by on entrepreneur, despite he is my client and I would lose my fee. As long as wrongdoings are mistakes, genuine mistakes, error है, तो वो हम entrepreneur से पहले बात करेंगे, समझेंगे और एरर को फिक्स करेंगे और इन्वेस्टर को भी बिल्कुल ट्रांसपेरेंटली बताएंगे. बट यदि वो एरर कमीशन है तो नहीं करेंगे. I'll give you an example. Blue Smart, Puneet came to us thrice. One of my colleague Varun was fairly keen, Varun Bhatia, He was very very keen कि ये करना चाहिए अपने को. And when I had a chat with Anmol Jaggi, so I go fully prepared. So I started asking question about Gensol, which was not in part of their pitch deck, etc. जब आदमी इन्वेस्टर के पास जाता है अप्रोच अलग होती है, वहाँ सारे क्वेश्चन खोल के बताते. बैंकर के पास जाता है यार मैं तो तुम्हें हायर कर रहा हूँ. He treats an investment banker as सर्विस प्रोवाइडर. इतना क्वेश्चन यार पैसा रेज कराओ, पैसे लो, निकलो, तुम्हारा क्या काम है. तो I found his responses not adequate. He tried to answer and we stayed away thrice despite Dexter today has strongest connect in family office today. Despite that, we stayed away. There are multiple other examples. I wouldn't name those entrepreneurs. मतलब वहाँ पर भी चीजें अब unsuccessful हो चुकी हैं. But those stories are not as public as Blue Smart. Dexter is also one of the firm where in at least 8 to 10 companies, investors have gotten fund winner. Fund winner in the sense a company was represented by Dexter. An investor actually got nearly his entire fund return by that single investment. That is called fund winner. So we had a company called Dihat, in which Northam Sixria family office gave first term sheet, then Omnivore joined the round. So Dihat is fund winner for Omnivore. There's a company called Pilgrim, which Fireside did. I'm invested in Pilgrim from first round. When Pilgrim raised its first round, angel. In fact, Amit and Akhil also invested in the same round that I invested in. I believe Pilgrim is already or would be a fund winner. There's a company called Picker. Picker is a fund winner for Apur Gautam, who is my batchmate, who are now started Atomic. So there are multiple companies. I believe we have done very, very well. The reason for that is because I come from a very research background. I work with Saurabh. Saurabh always believed that, Devinder, do not believe anything founders say. Do not believe what media, press, researchers say. Always do primary checks. So we would talk to competitors, customers.
स्कटल बट करो अच्छे से.
पूरा अच्छे से करो. So that Dexter does in every company even today.